It is unfortunate to say that around 200 Assam Armed Police, led by IGP Assam, accompanied by DC Kachar, SP, and DFO Kachar, came to Vairengte auto rickshaw stand at around 11:30 a.m. today, 26 July 2021. They forcibly crossed the duty post manned by CRPF personnel stationed there and overrun a duty post manned by one section of Mizoram Police personnel. The Assam Police also damaged several vehicles that were traveling along the national highway between Vairengte and Lailapur. Upon learning the arson committed by the Assam Police, residents of Vairengte town, Kolosip district, proceeded to the site to inquire. These unarmed civilians were assaulted by Assam Police by charging them and firing tear gas, thereby causing injury to several civilians. SP Kolosip and an executive magistrate went to meet them and tried to resolve the issue. However, Assam side were adamant and unwilling to discuss the issue. The confrontation continued and a volley of tear gas canisters and grenades were launched at Mizoram Police, followed by firing from Assam side at around 4:50 p.m. Mizoram Police responded spontaneously by firing back at Assam Police, in spite of the fact that SP Kolosip district was still inside CRPF duty camp negotiating with the Assam Police authorities. The entire development had been quite unfortunate. It all started with the Assam Police aggression into the duty camps of CRPF and Mizoram Police near Vairengte auto rickshaw stand. With the intervention of the Union Home Minister, who spoke to both the Chief Ministers, Assam Police have withdrawn from the place and the duty posts have been handed back to CRPF personnel. The government of Mizoram strongly condemns the unjustified act of the government of Assam in this intrusion and aggression into the territory of Mizoram. The government of Mizoram deeply regrets the needless injuries on both sides which could have been avoided and wishes a speedy recovery to all these injured. The government of Mizoram desires that the interstate border issue with Assam be resolved in an atmosphere of peace and understanding. Accordingly, we call upon the state of Assam to create congenial atmosphere for peaceful resolution of the dispute.